Good morning, children. How are you? See, children, day before yesterday we have learned about the alphabetical order. What is the alphabetical order? How we can write the words given to you in the alphabetical order. What is the alphabetical order, children? Nothing but to write the alphabets in a correct sequence. In a given sequence is known as alphabetical order. See, children, today we are going to learn about vowels and consonants. What we are going to learn today, children? Vowels and consonants. Now if you observe, children, the English alphabets say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now these are the letters in the order, in the correct order, in a correct sequence, or in a alphabetical order or the dictionary order. Now these alphabets, how many are there, children? These are 26. How many letters are there in English? 26. And these 26 letters, children, has been divided into two parts. Two parts they have divided. What are they? First one, vowels. Second one, consonants. Now if you observe, children, there are 5 vowels in English language. How many vowels are there in English language? 5. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are known as vowels. These are known as vowels. And the remaining 21 letters, except these remaining all the letters, suppose B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These all remaining 21 letters are known as consonants. Now children, how many letters are there in English? There are 26 letters in English. What we can say? There are 26 letters in English. How many letters? 26. See, I have written on the board. What are they? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Out of these 26 letters, see, children, A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are known as vowels. What they are known as? Vowels. And the remaining letters are known as consonants. What are vowels? Vowels, if you remember the vowels, easily you can remember the consonants also. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are vowels, whereas the remaining letters are known as consonants. Now let us see, children, how to use A or N with the vowels and consonants. What we have to use with the vowels or consonants. See, children, first I will write vowels, consonants. So have a look again about the vowels and the consonants. A, E, I, O, U, vowels. B, C, N P Q R S T V W X Y Z. These are consonants. These are 5. These are 21. Okay. There are 5 vowels and there are 21 consonants. Now, here in this chapter, use of a or yan has been introduced to you. Okay, children. Ela a vadali, ela yan vadali. See, children, a is used before a consonant sound. Consonant sound, phonetic sounds. If you remember, if we pronounce a word, మనం ఒక వర్డ్ పలికేటప్పుడు the sound produced by the word, the first letter of the word, if it is consonant, then we have to use a. Okay, suppose bag, bag, what we are using here, a, we have to use a. How will you identify, children, vowel sounds and the consonant sounds? You are very small to tell this topic, but let us try. Consonant sounds are ka to bandira. If you remember Telugu Varnamala, ka, ga, cha, ba, la, ra, ha. All these sounds are known as consonant sounds. And vowel sounds. Before the vowel sounds, we will use yan. What are the vowel sounds? ఇప్పుడు తెలుగు వర్ణమాలలో, in your Telugu Varnamala, if you know the sound a to aha letters, then the word, the letter, pronunciation of the first letter of the word should be a, e, o, a, I, o, aha. See, two lips didn't touch. So the vowel sounds are a to aha sounds. Suppose if I write few words related to the vowel sounds or related to the consonant sounds, let us revise once. Let us check once, not revise, children. Let us check once few of the examples. Now what we are discussing here, use of a or yan. Okay, children. Here I am writing a, here I am writing yan. Now how to use? Dash man, dash apple, dash book, dash orange. Okay, I am taking two words today only, children. Suppose if you pronounce the word ma sound vastundi. Which sound we are getting? Ma. So ma is not a vowel sound. It is a consonant sound. So we have to write ma. A, man. Book, ba sound. So here we have to again write a. But if you pronounce apple, apple, a sound, and a vowel sound, that is vowel sound. So before vowel sounds, we have to use yan. Orange, vowel sound, yan. So children, before the vowel sounds, the word which produce the vowel sound, which gives the vowel sound, we have to use yan. And the word which starts with a consonant sound, before such type of words, we have to use a. Now in this chapter, see children, what we have learned here today, we learned there are 26 letters in English language. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the 26 letters. And again, these 26 letters have been divided into two parts. One is vowel and another is consonant. There are 5 vowels. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are known as vowels, whereas the remaining letters B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are known as consonant sounds. And already today we have discussed about the use of A or N. A should be used before a word beginning with a consonant sound, and N should be used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Children, again we will learn a few more things. Regarding the use of A or N in our next session. Before to conclude, children, let us remind you the alphabetical order. The letters given in a order, given in the correct manner, is known as the alphabetical order or the dictionary order. And by following the dictionary order, easily we can arrange the jumbled letters or the jumbled words in the alphabetical order. Is it clear, children? Okay, children, once revise how many letters are there in English, and what are the vowels given in English language, what are the consonants given in English language, how we can use A or N in the English language. Tomorrow again we will learn more about the vowels and consonants. Okay, children, have a nice day all of you.